Congratulations! We have reached the final step of the stone laying process. The victory step. Problem. After applying all the products for fulfilling the purpose of adhesion, pinhole filling, color enhancing, densifying and premium shining gloss, we need to add a penultimate layer of protection to seal off the surface from any external moisture, impurities, stains or unwanted material. Solution. Excel Glue Max Nano Top Sealer. It seals off the top surface of the stone from any unwanted material that could cause damage to it. Now, as we have successfully finished the stone laying process, it is of utmost importance to undertake regular maintenance of the surface. Now, we will be taking up a few products for daily or frequent maintenance of stone surfaces. The next product is Tile Floor Shampoo. Thank you.